In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Artisan 730 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux tablet, desktop, or computing device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Epson Artisan space 730 support. Best result, you come back with an Epson domain. That should say Epson Artisan 730. Go ahead and open that up. And then going down underneath operating system, click the drop down, select your correct version of Windows or Mac OS or Linux, and then going down a little bit further, go back under the driver section or recommended for you, where it says driver and utility combo package, and go ahead and download that. And once it's on your system, just go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. It says this file contains the Artisan 730 driver and utility combo package. Click OK to continue. Go ahead and just follow through with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured for your device based on your connectivity preferences as well as optional features you may want to install. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.